Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a really soft dusty rose eye look that would look incredible on any eye shape. So let's jump right into the eye look. I'm going to get started with Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. I'm applying this color to my eyelids and I'm going to use this as a base for other eyeshadows. So using a fluffy brush, I'm just going back and forth in soft sweeping motions across my eyelid, but I'm not applying too much pressure. You want to keep doing this until you're happy with the base. I'm now going to go in with the color Dusty Rose using the same palette. I'm using a flat shader brush and I'm applying it again to the center of my eye, but I'm keeping it a bit closer to the lash line. I'm going to keep packing on the color until I'm happy with what it looks like. Here I'm using a clean fluffy brush to blend out the edges. Next I'm going in with the color Jest from MAC. I'm applying this shade right in the center of my eye just to give it a bit of brightness and a little bit of shimmer. This technique is great if you want to give your eyes a little pop in the center of the eye with a bit of shimmer, or if you'd like your eyes to appear bigger. Keep applying this until you're happy with the way it looks. Here I'm applying the same shade under the brow bone. I'm also going to apply that Dusty Rose color under my eyes to give it a more smoky effect, but you can skip this step if you want to. Here I'm going in with a black eye pencil just along my waterline, but you can use brown as well if you want a really soft look. Take any black eyeshadow. Here I'm using Noir from the palette, and I'm also going to take an angled brush, and I'm just going to apply some of this shadow along my eyelashes, just in the outer corner of my eye. So I'm using this kind of in place of an eyeliner, but we will actually later go in with a liquid liner to intensify the look. This just gives it a smokier effect instead of just being one harsh, straight black line. I'm not a huge fan of bold liner looks unless it's for a specific style that you're going for, which is why I'm using the black shadow just to create a kind of soft smoke effect. So you're still creating the same effect as you would with a liner, but instead you're blending it out so there's no definite line. I'm going to go in with my Bioderma as well as a Q-tip just to clean under the eye for any fallout eyeshadow. This product is amazing. I've been using it for years and it literally can pick up any kind of fallout under your eye, but it's not oil-based, it's water-based, so it doesn't disturb the rest of your makeup. So if you were to go in and use, let's say, a makeup remover that's oil-based, it may disrupt the rest of your eye makeup. So here I'm going in with a liquid liner, but I'm not going to create a really bold line. I'm basically just patting it along the lash line just to create the intensity near the lash line, but without there being like a really thick liner. I'm only doing this step because I'm going to be applying pretty thick false lashes, and this is a way to kind of hide the band so you don't really see it. If you're not going to be applying false lashes, you can skip this step and just use the black eyeshadow. The final step is to curl your lashes and apply your favorite mascara. You can apply as many coats as needed. If you would like me to do a tutorial on how to apply mascara to get the best, thickest lashes ever, please let me know in the comments below. Here I'm applying false lashes using a tweezer. I have a video of this on my page on how to apply false lashes easily. A good tip here is to make sure that both ends of the lash are securely placed along your lash line. So here I'm just holding down the lash with the tweezer to make sure it really sticks. For the last step, I'm just going back in with my liquid liner and I'm just going over anywhere where the band of the lash will show just to make sure there's a streamless line. So here is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. I will be posting my foundation routine from this video next. Bye guys!